Episode 27, Effective Sales Techniques. Welcome back to Start Your Business Today. Today, we're diving deep into effective sales techniques that will transform your approach to selling and skyrocket your business growth. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, mastering sales is crucial for any business. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding sales techniques. Before we jump into specific techniques, let's define some key concepts to set the stage for our training. Sales techniques, methods or strategies used by sales professionals to persuade potential customers to purchase products or services. Value proposition, a statement that clearly communicates the benefits of a product or service, explaining why it is better than the competition. Lead generation, the process of attracting and converting prospects into someone who has indicated interest in your company's product or service. Now that we have our key terms squared away, it's important to understand the overall goal of effective sales techniques. It's not just about closing deals, it's about building relationships, understanding your customers' needs, and providing solutions that add value. Segment 2. Building rapport. Let's start with the first step. Building rapport. This is the foundation of any successful sales interaction. 1. Be authentic. Customers can sense insincerity. Be genuine in your approach. Share a little about yourself to create a personal connection. 2. Listen. Actively. This means giving your full attention to the prospect. Nod, affirm, and paraphrase what they say. Active listening shows you care about what they need. 3. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or experiences. This could be industry-related or even personal hobbies. Finding common ground can significantly enhance your relationship. Now let's put this into action. Imagine you're meeting a client for the first time. Start by introducing yourself enthusiastically and ask about their interests or challenges related to your industry. Segment 3. Identifying needs. Once you've built rapport, it's time to identify your customers' needs. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of yes-no questions, ask things like, what challenges are you facing in your business right now? This opens up the floor for a more meaningful dialogue. Use the SPIN selling technique. SPIN stands for situational, problem, implication, and need payoff questions. This technique allows you to uncover pain points effectively. Situational questions. Gather information about the customer's current situation. Problem questions. Probe into specific problems or difficulties customers face. Implication. Questions. Explore the implications of these problems. What happens if they aren't solved? Need payoff. Questions. Help them realize the value or benefits of solving their problems. Let's roleplay a scenario. I'll be the salesperson and you be the customer. I might ask, can you describe a recent challenge your team encountered? This will give me insights into how to tailor my pitch. Segment 4. Presenting your solution. Now that we understand the needs, let's move on to presenting your solution. This is where the magic happens. 1. Tailor. Your pitch. Use the insights you gathered to customize your pitch. Highlight features of your product that directly address the customer's needs. 2. Focus on benefits, not features. It's common for salespeople to list features. Instead, translate features into benefits. Example, if your product has a long battery life, feature, emphasize how this means they won't be interrupted during work hours. Benefit. 3. Use storytelling. People remember stories far better than facts. Share a case study or a success story of how your solution benefit another customer. This builds credibility and reliability. Let's practice this. Take a moment to think about how you would present your product once you've identified a client's needs. Segment 5. Handling objections. Every salesperson encounters objections, and handling them gracefully is key. Let's talk about how to do just that. 1. Stay calm and confident. Your demeanour can set the tone for the conversation. Keep a calm and positive attitude. 2. Listen fully to objections. Allow the customer to voice their concerns completely before responding. This shows respect and understanding. 3. Empathize and validate. Acknowledge their concerns. You might say, "I completely understand why that is a concern for you." 4. Respond with clear solutions. Once you acknowledge their objection, present a relevant solution. For instance, if price is a concern, highlight the long-term savings. Remember, objections are not rejections. They are simply opportunities to provide more information and clarify. Segment 6. Closing the sale. Now let's move on to the moment you've all been waiting for, closing the sale. 1. Be direct but polite. When it's time to close, don't beat around the bush. Ask for the sale directly. You might say, "Based on what we've discussed, would you like to go ahead and make this purchase today?" 2. Use the assumptive close. This technique assumes the customer has made the decision to buy. For example, "When would you like to schedule the delivery for your new product?" 3. Create a sense of urgency. Limited time offers can spur the customer